take ages for my documents to appear at the printer, and it gets really hot while I'm waiting.
Ah, you're talking about laser printers. At Epson, we use the latest heat-free technology, so there's no waiting around, and definitely no heat. Instead of heat, pressure is applied to the piezo element in the printer, which flexes backwards and forwards and fires the ink from the printhead onto your paper. With no heat, there's no waiting for your printer to heat up, so you can print straight away. Heat-free technology can save you money too, as less energy is required than laser printers. And with fewer replaceable parts, our printers have a lower environmental impact, meaning they can print quickly, efficiently, and with top quality results every time. It's time to switch off the laser and switch to inkjet.